Good morning. So what we doing today? We talking about I don't even know, like when I be lately for the past couple of videos that y'all gonna see, I just literally bring the GoPro with me and turn it on and just start recording now, just so I can and what y'all see is what y'all kind of get at the moment. But then in every video if you watch it to the end, there's a lesson to be learned. Can't talk today. Every day I can't goddamn talk. But like I said, in every video there's some type of lesson what the hell? All right, let's try this again. Like I said, in every video there's some kind of lesson to be learned from that video. Good, bad, whatever. Today in this video we talking about just being patient for the customers, being patient when it comes to working on vehicles. You just got to have that patience. And when I started out, I didn't have the patience. I thought the customers were gonna come, and then even now, like sometimes I booked up a week in advance. Sometimes, like this week, I'm not booked up in a week in advance. I got a lot of slots open this week, and do I ever get to, well, it used to be when I first started, sometimes it's just 1 or 2 cars a week. Now, you know, I'm doing at least a car a day, but sometimes I do get a day or two where I didn't book anything, or I could have booked something and I didn't because they wanted to book too late. And that's just me trying to build some value in my time, in my service. But it be like that. You just gotta have the patience. That's just like when people run Facebook ads, or they run any type of ad and they're not getting the results right away. They hurry up and they turn it off or whatever because they're not being patient. You gotta wait on the customers to come. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead, and I need to back this one up, but I gotta record it. I gotta be able to fit my van. I don't know if they trash. And then gotta move my van back right here. So the customer is not here, and honestly, I've done details. I have done details where the customer isn't there, right? I've done that before, where they're not there, the car is just there. They're just, hey, clean it, send me the invoice, I'll pay it. I personally, don't like that, because for this one, I charged $260 just for the interior. The customer's not here, right? So what now it's what if he doesn't pay the invoice? What if I can't get in touch with him once I'm finished? All that stuff, right? What if that happens? That can happen because they're not here. They never even told me they was not gonna be here. I just called and said, hey, I'm here, and they're like, oh, well, you know, I'm not there, blah blah blah, whatever. I don't know where they at. So hopefully I haven't had that issue yet, but that's why I'm recording. That's why you gotta get you a GoPro or something to record everything. So, and you gotta make sure you have documentation that y'all agreed on a certain price and all that good stuff, right? Because it's easy for somebody to say, well, you didn't tell me that, and you don't have no proof. So that's why I do the invoices. That's why I do the deposits. If I'm not mistaken, I have to look to see. But like if it's a case like this, what I'm gonna start doing is, if they're not home, you gotta leave your card on file. Have to leave it on file, so that way I'm able to charge the card, and I have to write out some type of agreement to send to where I can charge the card with their consent already. if nobody has paid me yet. See, and this one is real dirty, and I hate to do this one and a guy not pay me, but we can go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and trust. Hopefully it'll send him the invoice in like the next hour or so. Now what I could do is say, hey, I'm gonna send you the invoice. It's gonna have to, since you're not here, it has to be paid before I start. That's another thing I could do, is make them pay before I even start. So that way I know for sure I'm gonna get paid for it. Cause I mean, that's a good, to me, that's a good amount of money. 260 for an interior. Well, I really should have tried about 300 cause it's bad. And the fact that I like the customer to be there because I want them to check the car before I go. I don't want to have to come back. I don't want nobody saying, oh man, I got here and it's still dirty or whatever. Nah, check it before I go because I don't want to come back. That's my goal. I don't want to have to come back. If I got to come back, I will. But I'm going to have them start signing some agreement or something. Hey, you wasn't there, whatever. If I do have to come back, it's gonna be an additional $50 if I do have to come back to touch up on something because you wasn't there. Because I really need some. You don't have to be there while I'm doing it, but when I'm done, I like them to be there to check it real quick, and then you can go about your day. All right, this one is. Look at this, man. The window must have been left down. Tape right here. It's a lot of stuff right here. There's a lot of change. That's weird. This is not gonna get better. I can tell you that now. These seats probably will get better, but I'm about to go put my gloves on. There's like an excessive amount of change up here. And then, yeah, that dash is not gonna do anything. It's finished. Like somebody probably smoked in here. That'll look better. This ain't gonna look, this is finished. All this change, god damn. Peanuts on the seat. So they left the key for me in a lockbox. But look what they got going on over here. Yeah, that's an old one. They got all kind of stuff. Hey. Good morning. But alright, let's talk about this one. So hopefully the generator isn't too loud. I did this side, about to work on this side, but I gotta do this front seat first, then I'm gonna work my way back, do the sides and all that good stuff. So I don't think I showed this. This is all nasty. For a car like this, now I'm starting to feel like I'm undercharged because that seat don't move. There's a lot of change all over the place. There's stuff just in here. A car like this shouldn't take me no more than like 2 hours to do on a full interior, on the average. 2 hours. What I give myself. People who say they're doing it in 45 minutes, I don't know how the hell they're doing that. This one is probably going to take me over 3-4 hours to do because of how bad it is, right? So what I'm going to start doing in the next couple of months, because I don't aim to really do cars like this anymore, just because of how long it takes, and sometimes I just feel like it's not worth it. But like I said, every now and then I price it high and I take the job on. This one I priced it $260. I should have priced it like $350. That's what I should have priced. I should have added on another $100 for this one. So I should have added on another $100 for this one. All right, so we finished with the seats. The seats look 10 times better than what they was before. Now I'm still gonna come back, hit them with some steam, get some of this crusty, dusty, musty stuff off, hit the back of the seats, hit the side. I'm still gonna do all that. So once we but that'll probably be in the process of doing the front. So the next thing to do is I'm gonna start steaming the front. I'm letting right now this, I don't know, I'm maybe doing a voiceover, but the steamer actually is warming up. Now I used to warm the steamer up while I was doing the seats. Now I wait till when I'm getting towards the end to go ahead and start warming it up. That way the generator is not working as hard, because it's gonna flick on and off. The steamer will, as it cools down, it's gonna flick on and all that stuff. So now I turn it on, even though I can run everything all at the same time. So I'm gonna start working on the front, start getting some of this change up, start wiping down stuff, get my all-purpose clean, all that stuff. We about to get the front, and then we definitely have to work on, I don't even know if this nasty. I don't even know if this come out. Hey, I got this seat to move up now, so I'm pulling all the stuff from underneath it, and god damn. Oh, this is gum, nicotine. Somebody was trying to start smoking. I don't know, I'm finding this stuff on the ground as well, so but glad I can push this up, get that over with. Finish cleaning this side, spray this off. Can't really do much with the seat belts. This is, man, this was so dirty that I didn't even know the middle button was there. Hey y'all, so finished with it. I'm about to show you on a few, put these towels in here. Damn, I missed the whole thing. So this car is all about patience. I started at 10 a.m. Right now it's a little over 2, so it took me 4 hours to do. So people will be saying, oh, it takes me 45 minutes. Stop all that lie. 45 minutes to do inside and out is, for me, that's unrealistic. So and yeah, this is how it look. I mean, it takes patience just to get it like this. Y'all saw in the beginning how it kind of looked. Damn, the carpet looked bad on the camera, but it don't really look that bad in person. It look worse on the camera. It's hard to explain. It's actually way lighted. I don't know why the camera make it look like that. It actually looks way better than what it was before. In person, seats look better. Back seats look 10 times better. It always looks better. This carpet, damn, it makes the carpet look horrible. Remember, this was black. This was black right here. I just gotta do the door jambs. This was black. This lightened up some, so I took out most of that. This was all nasty. It had like a little stain right here, and it was full of like hair or something. Looks way better. This right here, you couldn't even see the power button on this. So that got cleaned up really good. A bunch of gunk came off of this. Door panels look way better. There's some weird, like there's gum all in throughout the interior. I don't know what they were doing, but some of it came up, some of it didn't come up, some of it sprayed it. I could not get this gum up. I used the steamer and everything. It will not come up. And all the stuff inside of here, I tried to get up. And right here, like this right here, I got most of it up. But some of it don't. It's stubborn. So, dang, the carpet look horrible on camera. But in person, it looks 10 times better. Boom. Right here, No, cup holders was nasty. Got that all up. I just could not. They got gum in the middle of this too. Could not get that up. I don't know what it is with gum, but it comes up. Sometimes it doesn't come up. But I gotta wrap up, wrap everything up, and that's it for today. But this thing full. Look at that. Drink that, you die. All right, y'all. So we're home now, and doing what I normally do. Just take stuff out, check everything, make sure everything is good. So tomorrow, since we got a slow week this week, we're gonna try to do some maintenance to the van. Well, inside of the van, this needs to be changed out. This little crate, I need to go buy another one. They're like $1. I need to order chemicals. I'm gonna need some more soap soon. I'm out of interior dressing, and I need another gallon of Dark Fury. So using this fan, it helped. Well, honestly, I really don't know if it helped. I'm just assuming it helped because it wasn't doing all that stuff it was doing before. But yeah, y'all, just be patient. Like, I got a slow week this week. The last 2 weeks been pretty. I've been having a bunch of stuff booked pretty much every day. This week is a little slow. It's the end of the month. I just gotta be patient. Usually I'm running around trying to be like, oh my god, I'm slow. I gotta up the advertisement. I gotta up this. I gotta up that. But I learned to just be patient, let it do what it do, and ride it out, because I'll get some more cars this week. I already know. I may be off a day or two, but it'll pick up. Trust me. But thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next.